Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The name of the course is Object Oriented Programming, and today's lecture topic is Types of Inheritance from Unit 2 Inheritance Packages and Interfaces. On completion, the students will be able to write down programs in Java to inherit subclasses from base classes using single, multi-level as well as hierarchical inheritance. Single inheritance. The process of creating only one subclass from a single superclass is known as single inheritance. Here only two classes are involved. The subclass can access all the members of the superclass. So let us see a program for single inheritance. Here we have created a class named animal, which is the base class, and it has a function eat. Following that we have a class dog, which is a subclass of the base class animal, and the dog class has a function has a method bark. And in the main function we have created an object for the dog subclass, and using this object we can access the method of both the dog subclass as well as the animal main base class. So this is single inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. The process of creating a new subclass from an already existing subclass, that is already inherited subclass, is known as multi-level inheritance. Multiple classes are involved in this inheritance, but only one class extends only one. So here the lowermost subclass can have the access of all its superclass members. So multi-level inheritance is an indirect way of implementing multiple inheritance in Java. So here in this example, animal is a base class. It is having a subclass dog, and this dog is acting as a base class for its subclass puppy. So in this base class animal we have a method eat, and in the subclass dog, which is extending the base class animal, we have a method bark, and additionally in the derived class of dog puppy we have another method weep. So while creating an object for the derived class puppy in the main function, this object is able to access the methods of all the three classes. Hierarchical inheritance. The process of creating more than one subclass from a single superclass is called hierarchical inheritance. So here there is one superclass or base class from which more than one number of subclasses are derived, and here animal is a superclass which has a method eat, and following that we have a subclass dog for this animal superclass which has a method bark, and there is another subclass for the same base class animal, that is cat, which has a method lick. So while we are creating an object for the subclass cat, it is able to access only the method of that subclass cat as well as the base class animal, whereas it cannot access the method of the subclass dog. Quiz questions on the types of inheritance. Write down a program in Java to inherit isosceles triangle from the class triangle, which is a subclass of class shape. So here shape is the base class which is having a subclass triangle, and for this subclass triangle there is another subclass which is the isosceles triangle. So here a multi-level inheritance is being followed. Write down a program in Java to inherit subclasses bus and truck from the base class vehicle using hierarchical inheritance. So here the base class vehicle is having two subclasses, bus and truck. Thank you.